In this video we will take a look how the button targeting works. So that means on which products, collections or variants we want to show the specific button. So we have different kind of setting opportunities. For that we will first of all open our app dashboard. I have already opened it up. And now we can scroll down to our desired button, or we will create a new one. In my case, let's create a new field as well. I will click create field. We will call it button 2. I will also change the color, that's more easy to recognize the button later on, in blue. And now we will just take a look at the targeting section here. You see, by default targeting is set to all products. That means that this button will show for all products in your online store. Now we can go and we can also choose the selection this products. So we can see here is another button, we can click on that, and now all of the products from our online store are listed here. So we can now go and whether choose one product or choose two products, and according to how many products are selected, I will click select, will this button show for these selected products. So let's now go further. I will remove them again and we will go to this variants. So I will open up the variant targeting, and we can now see that not only the 3 products in my store are shown, that also all of the sub items are shown as well. So that means, for example, we have here this custom photo mug and we have it in white and in black. And we can go, for example, and say we just want to show it for black. So that means I will click select, I will click save. So now also the button gets created. We can see it's button number 2. We will go back to our product page, refresh it, and we can see that only one button is showing because we set targeting to, we just want to show the blue button for the black selection. I will click on black, and what we are going to see is that our second button will also show up here on this page. So now let us go back and take a deeper look. I will go to edit. And we can also see that even if there are more sub items available, for example, you see we have a magnet, and we can then also put it like we want to have it blue, and then we can go on also the subsection so that it will just show for one specific variant and condition. Okay. Now the next possibility is this collections. In this store, you see there is currently just one collection, the homepage collection. And you can also set up different kind of collections and say for all products which in this collection, we show that specific field, this specific button. So in my case, it's fine. Let us go back to all products. And now what is also interesting to know, if you have maybe a more specific use case, you can also use the advanced targeting. But I would just recommend it if you really have an idea how to use it. So advanced will work like that. In the first level, you can decide products or collections. Let's say we go for this product and we just want to say for the custom photo mug. And here you can see for matching products, show for all variants. We have now different kind of opportunities. We can say show on variants that match any of these conditions, show on variants that match all of these conditions, and show variants that match none of these conditions. Any of these conditions, that means that let's say we have color green and size S, for example, then it means it will show for color green and it will show for color S. And even if there are other opportunities like blue, gray, whatever, it will also show for any of these. If we go for all, that means both in combination have to be, so that it will show for that. Let's say we have color green and size small, then it will just show if both together will be selected. That means color green and size S, and then it will show. So, and at least we have also opportunity to say show on variants that match none of these conditions, so that you want to show it for all others, but not on the non-related. So these are all of these options. We have also opportunity to do the same with the collections, and also if we go with the products, we can also say we want to have specific conditions. For example, we can say product that match any of these conditions. Product is one of, product title, collection is one of, collection title. So right, but basically for most use cases it's best to just go with the simple targeting.